You said never let me go. You
Yes, thank you. Navika, I repeat, the only sensible thing my good friend Ashutosh has ever done is to have quit AAP. And the only sensible thing Arvind Kejriwal has ever done is to have kicked Ashutosh out of AAP. These two are made for each other. Now,
Can you explain this to me? Because as a political analyst, I'm completely stumped. Clean board.
नाविका, आई एम ट्रूली लॉस्ट फॉर वर्ड्स. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि राम प्रसाद जी की हिपोक्रेसी ज़्यादा है या आशुतोष की हिपोक्रेसी ज़्यादा है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई फ्रेंड आशुतोष, नॉट द अदर सेंसिबल आशुतोष जी हु इज वेयरिंग अ जैकेट बाय द वे. बट
गजब बेइज्जती है.
let me please rebut Ashutosh. See, Ashutosh की दो तीन, you know, one thing that I really admire about Ashutosh. Now, Ashutosh, I'm admiring you. एक बार please सुन लो. Ashutosh, I'm going to praise you.
Another wrong. Anand Ranganathan is not reacting to what Lalkesh Advani has said. Why he invoked it?
Ashutosh, I'm going to praise you.
Today more stronger than during emergency.
Okay, all right, he's responding.
अपनी praise तो सुन लो. Yeah, Ashutosh, please don't interrupt me constantly. In fact, I'm going to praise you. जैसे मंदिर का पुजारी भी अपने उस घंटे को ब्रासों से चमकाता है बजाने से पहले. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आई रियली एडमायर योर कॉन्फिडेंस. जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से आप झूठ बोलते हो और हिपोक्रिटिकल बातें करते हो, आई रियली एडमायर इट. मतलब आपके चरण कहां हैं प्रभु? नंबर वन, पहले आप होंगे अडवाणी के भक्त, मैं नहीं हूं. उसी अडवाणी को जो आप गाली देते हो और कहते हो कि ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर बाबरी मस्जिद डेमोलिशन, आज उन्हीं के गुण गा रहे हो. और नंबर टू, जिस जस्टिस गोगोई को आपने कहा था ही हैज अंडरमाइंड डेमोक्रेसी एंड ही इज द स्टूज ऑफ बीजेपी वंस ही गेव द अयोध्या जजमेंट, उसी गोगोई के आप आज गुण गा रहे हो. ऐसी हिपोक्रेसी ठीक नहीं है भाई. नेशनल टेलीविजन में जेएनयू आ जाओ, कॉफी पिएंगे साथ में, तब जितना हिपोक्रिटिकल होना है हो लेना, लेकिन अपनी पब्लिक को तो ये फेस मत दिखाओ.
बट डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन, 1975 के जो अरेस्ट थे, जिसमें अडवाणी जी अरेस्ट हुए थे, जेटली जी अरेस्ट हुए थे, कई लोग अरेस्ट हुए थे, वो तो डेमोक्रेसी का बिल्कुल था. लेकिन अर्बन नैक्सस, जिनके यहाँ यू फाइंड लिटरेचर विच हैज ramifications for internal security, that is an issue which crushes democracy in India. All those people who stand there and protest against CAA but use the example of cutting off the Northeast from the chicken neck with the rest of India, if they are arrested, then democracy comes under threat. I want to ask you, are we just going to be doing this rhetorical opposition because we are in opposition and don't anything else to do for the next 4 years? Or are we even going to look at facts once in a while?
Maybe it's a coincidence that Anand and we both are wearing green.
Yeah, no, good evening,
I hope it's
Navika.
not politically incorrect.
Ashutosh, I don't know when Mogu was born, but you certainly were born after 2014 because you only remember events that happened after 2014, nothing before it. But Navika, can I come back to the topic, please? You know, tonight on Christmas Eve, I make two appeals through you. One, to Santa Claus to pack in some brain in a sock, and two, to Rahul Gandhi to make sure his bedroom chimney isn't blocked. Because if anyone has attacked democracy year on year, decade on decade, it is Rahul's own beloved Congress. You know, credence is given to any man's utterances only after knowing his antecedents. One swallow does not a summer make. And in Rahul's case, I suspect he has swallowed bhang, mistaking it for Bonvita. As it is, the man-child is an industrial scale liar. We have seen this on Rafale and 1,000 other issues. And whoever gave him his lines today must have thoroughly enjoyed this joint venture, if you know what I mean. India doesn't have democracy? Really? The very fact that the man can say this openly should be proof enough that we do. I repeat, making sense of him is as easy as consuming rasam with chopsticks. Let us begin from his great-grandfather, who dismissed duly elected state governments at will, arrested poets, jailed editors, banned books, censored films, outlawed even the humble harmonium, for crying out loud. To his grandmother now, who amended the constitution at will and proclaimed the emergency. To his father, who deployed commandos to raid newspaper offices throughout Rushdie's satanic verses. To finally his mother, under whose remote control ran a government that became, the arbiter of Section 366, that charged cartoonists with sedition. There exist as many as 275 documented instances of brutal trampling of democracy and freedom of expression under the Congress. 87 of those occurred in the last 15 years when Rahul Gandhi was politically powerful enough to have stopped these violations, but he didn't. Last June, the Congress government in Chhattisgarh arrested a man for complaining against power cuts and charged him with sedition. Navika, please give me 30 seconds. And Rahul says there is no democracy in India, even as Modi has never unilaterally overturned an SC verdict like Rajiv did. Never abused Article 356 like Indira did. Never passed a press objectionable act like Nehru did. Even as Modi sits and watches Delhi being blockaded and held under a siege by farmers for close to a month. Honestly, breathing sense into Rahul is like giving CPR to a dodo. But then he is, after all, pure and perfect, particularly unique. Now, Navika, please don't ask me to make an acronym out of it.
हाँ भाई कैसी लगी आगे स्वाद
Well, आशुतोष आप
आनंद
हाथ
रंगनाथन
उठा
has
रहे हैं। मुझे ये बता दीजिए, आपने इतनी देर पत्रकारिता की है, कांग्रेस भी कवर किया है जैसे हम सब ने किया है। When was the last time you saw democracy within the Congress? अरे दुनिया को पढ़ाने चले हैं, दुनिया से सवाल उठाने चले हैं, आप अपने घर में तो झांक कर देख लीजिए, कहाँ है डेमोक्रेसी?
I would have been happier if Anand Ranganathan was referred to Mr. Lalkesh Advani, who invoked Mussolini and Hitler in his blog. I think he has forgotten that. It's a rare case. The Lalkesh Advani is no small politician. He's a history-defining
I don't go by
politician.
other people's opinions. I
Anand,
make
did
my
not
own
disturb you.
opinions
Sorry,
looking at
Anand, I
facts.
didn't disturb. Let me
On
speak.
one hand, you are now quoting
me
those
speak,
4
my dear
Supreme Court
friend.
judges. On the
Anand,
other
let me
hand,
speak,
when
my
one of
dear
that
friend.
judge became the Chief Justice and gave the Ram Janmabhoomi
Anand
Ayodhya
Ranganathan,
judgment,
let
you
me
were calling him a sold out
I know,
BJP stooge. आज उन्हीं की बात याद आ रही है आपको? कभी उनको स्टूज कहते हो? जब जस्टिस लोया को की वो वर्डिक्ट को रद्द कर दिया गया, उसके बाद वही लोग बीजेपी के स्टूज बन गए। आज वही लोग याद आ रहे हैं। आशुतोष, don't be two timer. Please don't do two timing.
I did not call you Kajni. You have forgotten Lalkesh Advani's famous blog, where he invoked Mussolini and Hitler. In what context, I don't need to tell you.
I don't go by Lal Kishan Advani. He called Jinnah secular. I don't believe in Lal Kishan Advani. आप भक्त हो गए लाल किशन अडवाणी के, मैं नहीं हूँ भाई। आशुतोष, you might be an Advani भक्त. I am not.
म्यूजिक
Now let us analyze what Ashutosh is saying, even though it is a real assault on my cerebrum. Ashutosh, I can't go on like this. I really can't. Either you speak, you take my time, or you let me speak.
No, go on. I'm running out of time. I have
very
exactly
good,
1 minute
friend.
left. Anand Ranganathan, please complete your point.
Yes. Can Ashutosh rebut this argument? Is Modi the one who has amended the constitution 100 times? Is Modi the one who has applied Article 356 67 times? Is Modi the one who has ever overturned a Supreme Court judgment? Answer these 3 questions. These are based on facts, not your conjectures that you bring from petroleum point.
बंद करो, हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ।